Janice Ray uses figurative language to describe her relationship with nature. She describes her birth using a simile. I came into their lives easy as finding a dark-faced merino with legs yet too wobbly to stand. She compares herself to a small sheep coming into their lives. This shows how Ray sees nature and animals as the same as she is. From birth, she shows how she is a part of nature. Ray uses a metaphor when she says, religion was the rock foundation on which our lives were solidly constructed. Religion was a significant biotic factor in Ray's life. Her family was all very religious, and the way they acted on a daily basis reflected their religious views. The strong sense of morals and values were a part of Ray's childhood and built the views she had later in her life. Ray uses personification to bring nature to life in order to show how it affected her the same way a human could have. She says, I learned that nature wouldn't ridicule you, would let you play. She shows how nature doesn't judge her, but was always there for her when she needed it, as long as she acknowledged its presence. The nature takes place of a best friend and helps Ray find what she truly cares about. Lightning strikes the long-leaf pine trees and causes rapid forest fires. Instead of destroying the trees, the wind carries seeds to the new mineral soil and germinates. This creates greater regrowth of the trees. The trees and the wildlife adapt to fire caused by the lightning and use it to create instead of destroy. This shows how biotic and abiotic factors in the ecosystem work together and benefit each other. Harmful human interactions such as cutting down forests and altering nature can have detrimental effects on the environment. For example, Ray talks about how after the destruction of forests and trees, the diversity decreases and animals, such as the flatwood salamander, pine snake, and gopher frog, are no longer there. Their home has been destroyed due to selfish causes. This shows how in order to preserve the natural beauty, you must care about the animals and plants. Trees and humans are both biotic factors, so they have many similarities. Ray talks about how the heart of the tree is the strength and the weakness, and how they can be infected with red heart, which makes it hollow and weak. It shows how trees are also affected by illness just as humans can. This causes weakness from the inside out, sometimes irreversible. Similar to Janice Ray, many biotic and abiotic, or living and non-living factors affect my life and make me who I am. The places and people around me influence the way I view the world and myself. Some of these factors are not permanent but have had a lasting effect on my life, and some factors are part of my everyday life. Biotic factors are the living organisms in an ecosystem. Some of my most important biotic factors are my parents, my brother, my friends, and my school and dance teachers. They are all different people who have contributed to my values and morals and taught me to be true to myself. These biotic factors all care about me and help me find where I belong and who I am. Abiotic factors are the non-living factors in the ecosystem. Some abiotic factors that affect my life are school, education, dance, the stage, music, my house, my TV, and vacations. These factors are where I've spent most of my time and have given me memories that I hold dear to my heart and experiences that have made me the person I am today. These biotic and abiotic factors make up my personal ecology. My personal ecology has taught me to appreciate everything I have because many do not have all the influences I have to help them get through the difficulties of life. It has taught me to not take things for granted and to help and support others the same way they have helped me.